Hey everyone, it's Wednesday, January 20th. Today you need to finish up your Works Cited. If you didn't look at the Works Cited rules slideshow from yesterday, it is linked right here, so you should go and take a peek at that. Your Works Cited is due tonight at 11:59 p.m. If you do not have a Works Cited, you will not get a score for your presentation. Not having it is the same thing as plagiarism. So please make sure that you have your Works Cited completed by 11:59 p.m. tonight so that we don't have to worry about anybody forgetting it or getting a zero because you didn't have it turned in. The next thing you need to do is create a visual aid for your presentation. For your visual aid, you just need to make a Google slideshow that has a picture for each main point. So for your first main point, you're doing background on the author and the book. So maybe a picture of the author or the book. For the second main point, you are doing the controversy. So figure out a picture that you could use for the controversy, and then third, you need to do the implications. So find a picture that goes along with what the impact of that book was. When you are doing this, you are going to refer to your visual aid as you are giving your presentation. To do this, you are going to do a screencast, so it'll show your visual aid and your face, and you will be referencing it and explaining a little bit how your picture helps support your ideas and how it explains your idea a little bit more. So that is for your visual aid. You should not put any words on your visual aid because you should be explaining it. We shouldn't be relying on words on a screen to understand what you are talking about. All of your work for this entire semester needs to be turned in by 2:10 on Thursday of next week. Anything that's submitted later will not receive any credit. So everything has to be turned in by 2:10 on Thursday of next week. That's about it. If you have any questions, please let me know. Otherwise, have a great day.